Salute. This is Wild Country Daily Entertainment. I was just watching JLR Investigate. He's still at Nancy Guthrie's documenting of the case of her being missing. Um, as he was reporting, a helicopter just flew over Nancy Guthrie's. Now you might think, okay, well, what's strange about that? Helicopters fly over people's houses every day. Yeah, that's correct, they do. But this time it set off an alarm. We don't know if it was coming from Nancy Guthrie's or one of the houses beside it, behind it. We don't know. But I'm going to let you guys take a listen to it. As soon as that helicopter passes over, you can hear an alarm system going off. It sounds like like that. Just listen. Right there. Right there.
What the heck is that?
So now you make your decision. Peace out.